Good morning, Mark here at Turbopacs in Durham. I thought I'd just do a short video on hybrid turbos for you. Some of you may or may not know this is something we do quite a lot of, and even on the more curious vehicles. So we just had one brought to us today. This is a 350 Mercedes CDI, I think 2014. This is the third one we've had in this month. They're unusual because they have rollable bearing cores. So the actual centre of the turbo is a rollable bearing, and this makes them a little bit more difficult to deal with, and a lot of places can't. They're very expensive to buy brand new, and at the moment they're on an indefinite back order. Now, you know, we've also had a phone call for a Porsche Cayenne, an older Porsche. Again, they don't make the turbos anymore. IHI had stopped making them, and again, we can help you, and this extends all the way through to commercial stuff. So just bear in mind that we can cater for this. In fact, to be honest with you, I quite enjoy looking at the more difficult units to see if we can come up for a solution. It's all about quality, and that's what we do here. So if you're looking for a hybrid turbo, even on the more curious vehicles, some of the turbo diesels, all the way through to the blood and snot petrol vehicles, etc., we've done them, some really quite large ones, etc. So feel free to give us a call, see what we can do, and give you an estimate on a conversion, and we'll be ever so happy to help you. Thanks, guys.